Logan Hire or something. Golfing.
Sarah Burgess. Sarah Burgess. Back to New York. His mom and sister's back there.
I got it. Right here it is. Right here. Get away. Get away. I did too. I figured trying to hit him Chianti's barefoot. Maybe that's what I
Yeah, that would hurt bad.
So yeah, he's traveling. He's only home. You know.
Yeah.
He's a rule.
Yeah, right.
You did. There you go.
There it is.
You didn't say one way.
I'll be back in a little bit. That way.
Okay.
That 90 degrees over there.
Oh!
One here too. Let's go, bud.
We'll say I had the lens cap on for that one.
Good thing. 5 miles behind.
She was talking to the ball.
What? That double sweet every.
There it goes, folks. Right in the pin. Move in, Spence. Ah, you gotta get. Good hit. Good hit. Probably shouldn't ask him to wave after. Not with all 5 fingers. Yeah. Give me the 1 finger wave. Heisman Trophy, ain't it? It looks like it. That's what I thought it looked like.
This time, the KABC would like to award their Pitcher of the Year and Player of the Year awards.
Cousin.
Class 3A, Pitcher of the Year, Colin Rutt from Halstead High School. Class 1A, 2A, Pitcher of the Year, Shawn Talkington.
Woo!
The following players were named Player of the Year in each class. In Class 6A.
I'm not going to walk in front of you.
Ma'am, any thoughts? Oh, I'm zoomed in way too far.
Yeah. I don't think
Oh yeah! This will be going to a different website. How's it going, Jay?
Okay. At least half the games will be a lot closer for you guys.
That's a good deal. That's a good deal.
tell him to take it back.
There's G.I. Joe.
Yeah, who did it? The guy, the fat guy in the blue, or this?
Got some shoe glue.
Yeah?
Put it on there. Bought another pair last week for college.
Of course, you can't go to college without a good pair of...
Gotta have
Velcro shoes.
Walmart shoes. Represent.
except for the inflation. They're up to $14. The
Ooh.
first pair was $8.56. They're $14 now.
Ooh. Poor guy.
Gotta take out a loan to buy shoes.
That's for each shoe or for the pair?
No, for pair.
Oh, that's for the pair.
So it's almost the same for one shoe as it was for a pair 2 years ago.
I'll be damned. What is this thing?
That's a chain link.
That's
In that case, you want to take them off and you lock them to a bike?
no, that's something the baseball team did.
Everybody had a link and we put them together, made a chain.
Take that back.
Thanks for coming.
See you, man. Good job.
Grandma says